Imagine waking on Christmas morn 1947, rushing downstairs and finding under the tree, no, not a dead body, but a Royal Portable Typewriter with your name on the tag. Who wouldn't just love such a gift, especially in homes where there are young folk of school and college age? A nationwide survey of high school students shows that portable typewriters are a must item with teenagers, next to Bobby Sox and cars. And a Royal Portable is their number one choice, for Royal makes typing easy. It's got that exclusive magic margin, touch control, a finger flow keyboard, and its sturdy and rugged steel frame is constructed to last. So make it a Royal Portable this Christmas. It's the best investment you can make in your child's life.